Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a project share, and you guys, I finally decided to use my Willow Lane goodies. And sometimes I don't use my stuff and I'm just like, you know what, we're gonna use it. We're gonna use this stuff and not let it just lay around. So I decided just to crack everything open and create something. And I think I had the best craft session last night. It was amazing. I felt so creative. I added all my ephemera pieces to this super cute little berry basket and just started having where to, like, my desk was full, you guys. It was packed with a bunch of goodies. I used a ton of stuff. I used the ephemera pieces, the frames, I used the stickers. I think I used, yep, the cardstock. I used these super pretty flowers. Super cute. I love these. I had to get me a backup because they are adorable. I used some of these Maggie Holmes little word stickers. You guys, I used my little stones that I bought at Michael's. So gorgeous. What else did I use? I used a bunch of my new ribbon that I love so much. What else? What else? Let me see. Oh, you guys, I picked up these super cute clouds at Michael's. So I used some of these. I also picked up this super cute little fence. I had seen Tony haul the wooden fences, and I actually have those. I used because this is just paper, the one that Tony hauled. It's actually like a wood piece. I have those that I used last year in Halloween, but I saw these in Michael's and I thought this would be something good because it's super flat and it would work better for the project that I had in mind. So I have that, and trying to see, I used a bunch of doilies. I'll tell you guys as I show you the project. So yes, this project is based off the Willow Lane collection, and let's get into the flip book. Now, this flip book style was originally inspired by It's All About Alice, and then I had seen Handmade by So make a few, and I've been meaning to make one. I don't remember if I've made one before. I might have, but I don't really remember. So this is the same style. And look, you guys, isn't this beautiful? I absolutely love how it turned out. And these little ribbon ideas, you guys, I had gotten them from Handmade by So, but I'm gonna tell you where I had seen them. Let me show you. This is where I had originally gotten the cute idea from, because these little bags from Mary, they always come with these tassels like this. So these come tied there, and then I had these other bags where it looks like this. Isn't that super cute? And I think that maybe that's where, I'm not sure if that's where Handmade by So got inspired, but I remember seeing this and thinking these little thin ones would be great for something like that. So when I had seen her haul these, it was perfect because it does look super pretty. And I did use a little, if you can see here, a little ring that I attached, and then in the back, just so it could look pretty, I put some riffraff, and then I tied it with twine, and then I put some riffraff, and then this cute little flower I added on the top just because it looked too plain. And I thought it'd be cute like that, and it could be removed. There is a little eyelet there that I placed so it could be comfortable and also not tear the paper. So you guys, this is what the cover looks like. Here's the little cloud that I showed you guys that I used. Some cute little enamel dots. This is from the chipboard, or the, I think the puffy stickers or something. She's from the ephemera. And then I put this cute little bow using my new little knockout punch to make her cute little bow. And then this right here is from the little, let me see if I can show you. Jolie's by You. And it just had, they have a whole bunch of different ones on the little sticks. So I chose the one where she's holding like a little butterfly. The butterfly in the middle was silver, but I did paint her gold. This is the Maggie Holmes star trim from the Willow Lane's collection. And as you guys can see, here's the flat fence that I have picked up at Michael's. And you guys, this is like, I think you get 2 fences for about $2. But it's super cute. And then if you can see the detail here, I put these cute little enamel dots that I had, and they fit perfect the way her dress is. And then I also used my Wink Stella on some of the little pieces of her dress. Can't really see it on camera, but it is there. And then you guys, this is what it looks like when you open it up. Super cute. I am so happy. I do not think I can part with this book as of now, because I am 100% obsessed. But you guys, I used some of the foam hearts from the collection. I used some of these little butterflies that my friend Kat had sent me in the minty Happy Mail box. I've been using those like crazy. And then I did add, you see the little shine, Wink Stella on the little flowers, as well as the butterfly. I added a little pieces here. I added a cute little pearl dot there. I did some layering. This paper back here is from some paper that Kat also sent me in that minty box. This little butterfly is from Michael's. Yeah, Michael's backyard collection. And then you guys, all I did was, by the way, I didn't tell you that part. The papers that I used are from the Willow Lane's collection, and it's just the 6x8 folded in half. And then I double-sided it, so I glued back together 2 papers, and then I sewed it in the middle. So onto this page. Okay, so here I put this cute little banner, and these banners are from the clearance that Michael's had on the crafted collection. And this is what it looks like. It's some garland. Super cute. This is super fun to use in projects. Another one of those little butterflies. There's a little doily back here. And then this is a little rosette that I made using the Tim Holtz rosette die. This is from the cardstock from Willow Lane. More of those little butterflies. This is also from the collection. These little word stickers right here. This is the Maggie Holmes one, but this one and this one right here is from the Tim Holtz clipping stickers. And this was gifted to me by Margaret. Thank you so much. And look at that, you guys. I love how it looks. I love how everything turned out. I think the papers worked super good together. And then on to my favorite page, which is the center. You guys, I used some more of those butterflies. This cute little, I had this pack of, let me see if I can, I don't think I have it. I don't think I have it anywhere near, but these are just some gold hearts that I had in my stash, some enamel dots, and then these little bags I used. I'm gonna actually find those bags. I should have taken everything out, you guys, but we're gonna go with it. These are the bags that I used. These are the Recollections Crafted bags. This was also clearanced out. And then the smaller one is another, I think it's another Crafted. I don't see the, actually no, I think this is from Tuesday Morning, and it was probably sent to me by Brenda. And then this hard die cut shapes is from Miss Sparkle & Co. hard die cuts. So I used that to put back here. And then I got these super cute little clips from my friend Jazz, except they were silver. So what I did was I painted them gold with my painter's marker from Walmart. And I think it looks much better because there's no silver in this project, so I figured I'd paint it. And then there's just a little card here sticking out of a little envelope, and then over here I just have a piece of ribbon that I recently hauled from Michael's, and then right here is one of the little cards from the ephemera piece, and what I did was back it with this pink glitter paper and add some ribbon to the top so that it can be like pulled in and out. Let me take out the, just some layering and stuff. And then this flower is also from the ephemera piece. I added some Winka Stella and this cute little pearlescent pearl from the Michael's box. And then you guys, these stickers are from Michael's, and I found them yesterday because my friend Jazz used them on my project, on my Happy Mail box, and I fell in love when I saw them. So of course I had to pick them up, and I just wrote shine. I used one of the frames from the collection, also this little chipboard, the butterflies from the collection, the stars are from the collection. This cute little bow was sent to me by Happy Mail Obsessed, Janae. She sent me this cute little bow and some Happy Mail. And then look, you guys, there's some acetate right here, and I made a little shaker. Isn't that pretty? More butterflies that from the ones that Kat sent me. I have them all over the project. I absolutely love them. They're so glittery and fun. And then you guys, the last page looks like this. I made a cute little pocket right here out of the, this is an ephemera piece from the collection. And I added some of that Maggie Holmes gold trim, leaf trim. Let me show you that this way. And then there is like a piece of washi tape there, but I went over it with a blue one. Like a, kind of like a, in the picture, washi tape, but I went over it. It's blue as well, but I went over it with some glitter just to give it an extra pop. I did add some Winka Stella to these flowers back here. I put this super cute swan clip, some Project Life cards, and a little rosette, some enamel dots. And then this page right here just has this little pocket right here that you could add some goodies. I did some layering. I did some doilies in the back, these little Michael's butterflies, some enamel dots, these little frames I cut out from this peachy cheap die that I have. And then I used more of those little word stickers from Maggie Holmes. And yeah, you guys, that is my flip book, and I am totally obsessed. Please let me know down below if you guys think it's as amazing as I think it is, because I think it's perfect for my first Maggie Holmes project. I love it so much. I cannot wait to create more with this collection. It's so beautiful. I'm obsessed. And you guys, I did the gold painter's I keep saying market because I'm gonna say Walmart. Painter's marker from Walmart all around the edges, just because I like the look of it, and I did it in all the pages. But yeah, you guys, that is my project share. Please let me know down below what you guys think. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna put together one, because if I sit down and craft for you guys and make these type of projects, it's gonna take me some time. That's a lot of detail. I always go back and I don't edit my videos. But if you guys are willing to watch like a 2-part video of me creating a flip book, let me know down below if you're interested in that, where in like one part we pick out the paper and everything that we're going to use, and in the second part we'll actually glue it down. What do you think? Just let me know down below. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload another video. And I hope you guys had an amazing weekend, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.